The JCB 37C HD is the latest addition to JCB's new generation mini excavators and is the ideal choice for work in confined areas and job sites with restricted access while delivering high performance. The JCB 37C HD has a conventional tail swing design and comes with new generation controls which enhance fuel efficiency and performance. This configuration offers easy loading in small trucks due to its small width of tracks. Its robust structure ensures minimal damages in arduous applications, and it is designed to fulfill big ambitions and plans, and there's nothing mini about it. The JCB 37C HD comes with a wide range of buckets, including 0.11 cubic meter standard bucket to help with different application. The auxiliary hydraulic circuit enables easy fitment of a rock breaker and other attachments for enhanced versatility. Its standard boom and dipper length ensure best-in-class digging depth and higher working ranges. Its 1.5 meter wide DOZER blade is a standard fitment and is ideal for backfilling and leveling, and helps in easy loading and unloading too. The boom swing offset feature enables tasks like trench digging along a wall or foundation in restricted areas and precise basement digging. The 300 mm wide steel tracks ensure higher operating stability and longer life. The 2-speed tracking with auto kickdown motors automatically adapt to changes in terrain, increasing productivity and reducing operator fatigue, making it even better to use. The JCB 37C HD is powered with a Perkins 403J17 engine, delivering 18.9 kilowatt, 25 HP at 2000 RPM. Radial seal type air cleaner ensures error-free sealing and provides enhanced engine life. Exhaust lines are fully covered with heat shields to protect the components from damage due to heat. The features of JCB 37C HD mini excavator are reliability and durability. The heavy-duty design boom is made of high tensile strength steel, and the reinforced pivot ends provide long life and durability. Dipper cushioning is provided at cylinder ends for higher cylinder life. The 4-plate dipper design provides added structural strength and durability. All dig end bushes are graphite impregnated bronze type, which allow best in-class greasing intervals of 500 hours. Single-piece casted key post is provided for higher strength and life. High on safety and security. Engine start interlock. Engine can be started only when hydraulics is cut off and LHS pod is lifted up. Unique 2-go system needs 2 separate inputs to start hydraulic operation. ROPS and TOPS certified canopy. Pin-enabled engine start for security. Fuel efficiency and best-in-class performance with premium closed center hydraulic system. 4 different power brands: L, G, H and H+. Auto idle feature. Comfort and ease of use. Fully adjustable suspension seat with high backrest. Low effort joystick mounted boom swing and attachment control. Digital display with the necessary machine information. 4 work lights for high nighttime visibility with 1 interior LED light. Operator face fan. Ergonomically designed for higher operator comfort and enhanced safety. ease of maintenance. Wide opening bonnets provide easy access to components. Preventive maintenance can be easily carried out from the ground level. Oil level checks, filter change, air filter replacement, and cleaning of cooling packs can be done conveniently too. Lower maintenance cost with high maintenance intervals. LiveLink. The JCB LiveLink telematics technology helps in close and effective machine monitoring. This machine is backed by JCB 60 plus dealers, collectively having more than 700 plus outlets across the country. This comes with an assurance of best-in-class JCB service, JCB genuine parts and JCB lubricants. The JCB 37C HD is a versatile machine and a preferred choice for working in confined areas. It is ideal for civil and utility works in restricted access areas, offering better maneuverability. This machine is an ideal addition to any rental fleet operator, contractor, construction firm or infrastructure development company. The JCB 37C HD gives you not only convenience but an enormous value too. There's nothing mini about it.